Jodak ma Siaya ma ochiwo pachgi ewi paro mar chike mag dwaro loko chike mag osuru. Dwaro ni duok piny osuru mar VAT kowuok 16% nyaka 12%. Bende gikwedo paro mar dwaro jugo osuru kuom omenda mag aheri magiwacho ni biro keto jo Kenya gi chudo nyadiriyo. Komiti mar od bura ka otelne gi jaod bura ma Aina Moi Benjamin Langat ne osingo ne oganda ma Siaya ni dhi winj ywak gi magipedhe chenro no mar kawo pach jopiny.
Kamati ikifika utapewa nafasi alafu utaje.
Tukaribishe hapa ndio tuendelee. Annually, from time to time, so that pesa itasunguka. Yeah? So shilingi 50 na una hiyo 50.
When you are making these laws, you should also consider those who are there long time ago. They are suffering and they are wallowing in poverty.
Youth Fund and Uwezo Fund, most of the requirements is that it is given out in a group. Some of us are not good working in groups because our ideas can never be shared. Some of the ideas that we have are very unique in nature. And if we can get financing as an individual, therefore we will appreciate.
Kenya ni nchi ambayo sasa wawekezaji, investors are running away. Why? It has become so expensive to do or to operate a business in Kenya. Sababu gani? High taxes. Kenya generates electricity, Kenya has water, Kenya has land. Hizi ndio vitu ambavyo pia makampuni ama biashara zinategemea to run. Why should we tax heavily and more than other countries, yet mambo ya ama mahitaji ambayo makampuni yanahitajika yanapatikana katika nchi ya Kenya?
From what we have heard, they have talked about agricultural inputs in terms of reducing or removing taxes completely because they are agricultural community. I think we had also quite a representation on retirees, and they have told us about the need to actually remove taxes on retirement benefits.